Hello everyone and welcome to another DevStream summary video. This DevStream was live on the 25th of February and we focused on squashing bugs and finishing the SteamNews page. But before I tell you what happened during the stream, let me show you something cool I made. So pretty. It's a simple SVG with a little bit of CSS. I would like to add this into the apps and use it as the loading spinner, but because it's using a bit of CSS, there's some compatibility issues, and if I convert it to a GIF, there'll be some transparency issues, so I still got to work on it. During the stream, I finally got around to revamping the SteamNews page. There was a lot of tweaking and testing, and I was also super easy to distract, but in the end, we got a page that looked pretty damn good. We also added the ability to pull down to refresh. This was tricky to get working, but most of the time was spent on making the loading spinner look good. The page now also saves your page selection, saving you from having to select the page every time you navigate to it. We also looked at the NMSFM page. We added Veritas Velas's Twitter link. Not sure why I forgot to do this sooner, but I'm glad it's there finally. In the next update, I will hopefully have a list of tracks displaying in the apps. There is also the sneaky little pop-up in the apps. Did you notice it? I suspect that only people who read the What is New pages would have known that there is this pop-up. I'm thinking of how to display this pop-up on the new version of the apps after a major No Man's Sky update. I want something that isn't too distracting or annoying, but will be useful for people who are curious about what items have been added to the game. Unfortunately, there have been no new updates to the egg sequencer data. I am more and more confident that a lot of the egg sequencer effects are procedural and are based on the animal that you are trying to edit. But if I find some good data on how the items affect properties of an animal, I will for sure add them into the apps. Maybe we could even have a page like the solar panel calculator page, which was only possible thanks to the work and math that Devil and Pixie put in, and their permission, of course. The upgrade module stats feature was unlocked for everyone. I hope everyone is enjoying it. It is a bit difficult to confirm that the stats are correct, but if you notice anything wrong, I'm happy to take another look at the stat. Features like this are only possible thanks to the Patreon supporters of the apps. Not only do they make it possible for me to spend more time on the apps, but they also get early access to features like these and help me find bugs early, so that everyone else gets a more stable version of the apps. Sorry, patrons. If you would like to get some of these Patreon supporter exclusives, and you can support the apps, please check out my Patreon page. Huge thank you to all of my current Patreon supporters. Thank you all for watching. If you liked this video, please attack the like and subscribe buttons with your blaster, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye!